gonna open it with you. I've already opened the outside. Let's see what's inside. Matthew Cruz. Drake Stream. Oh! Did you see that, guys? You see that? That is stars. That is stars. Got Tim Membry Star wild card. That is a good card. One per box. Look at that. Wow. It's only my second star wild card for the year. So yeah. I got a Marcus Bontempelli Best and Fairest. Scattering it around. And a Leo Gold. A Marcus Bontempelli Gold. And a Daniel Talia Common. Tom Mitchell. And we have Shane Edwards. You can see the back if you want to. So that is it for the video. Can't believe I got a star wild card. Let's see it. Scattered, yes. This is the beauty. You can see the back. If you want to know what the back looks like this. Yes, his signature, all the stuff. See you guys and have a great day. Plus, I want you to subscribe to Jason Collectibles. He does 40 card content, so subscribe to him. Cheers.